Hey guys, this is April at Georgia Girl Plans. I have another plan with me for you today, and this is going to be a B6 plan with me for the week of July 8th through July 14th. This is the week that I am back from vacation, and I know I'm going to be missing it, so I am using a fun, bright, colorful, beach-themed kit. This kit is from Nightingale Paper Co., and I think it was called Beach Days or Summer Days, something along those lines. I just love the bright colors in this, and that swimsuit is so cute. I just love it. And I got the full kit, so I'm gonna have a ton of stickers to use. So these are the full boxes: date covers, icons, checklist, weekend banner, quarter boxes, half boxes, and some sidebar items, washi strips, and bottom washi. And then I also picked up the deco sheet because this deco is adorable, as well as the matching glitter headers. And then I'm going to be pulling in some gold foil this week. So I got these two sheets of gold foil overlays, and they're like summer themed overlays from Nightingale Paper Co. So you've got full box overlays and icons, and then date dots, headers, a weekend banner, and some bottom washi overlays. And then I'm also going to pull in a gold foiled checklist in my sidebar from Nicole Alexia Designs. So let me get my inserts out. I don't think I'm going to be pulling in any washi this week because this is such a large kit. I really am not going to need to pull in a ton of other things. I will have plenty to work with. So I'm going to get started. And I guess I should tell you first, I am using, as usual, but if you're new to my channel, I am using my Lights Planner Action B6 Strings inserts. This is the week on 4-page in the script weekly. So I'm going to use the first 2 pages, which is the first half of the week, and do my bottom washi as well as my date covers and date dots, and I'll be right back. All right, so I've got my bottom washi down as well as my date covers. I love the patterns in this kit. So let's move over to my sidebar. So in my this week section, I like to keep track of my happy mail. So I'm going to use one of these little headers that come with the kit, and then the happy mail script that is on this foiled sampler. These overlays I got in a grab bag, and they're actually made for a specific kit, not the kit that I'm using, but I thought they would work perfectly with really any summer kit. So then I'm going to use, where did I put, yes, a heart checklist. As of right now, I only have 2 things of Happy Mail coming, but I may have another ship, so I'll go ahead and use that 3 heart checklist. That was from Nicole Alexia Designs. And then that's all that I track in my this week section. So I think I'm going to do some deco because I have all of this adorable deco, and I love this hat. It says Hello Sunshine. Maybe I'll do another header there, because I don't really have, I'm not going to need these because I have the glitter headers, so just break up the section with another header and then do this deco. So I'll do Hello Sunshine there, and then maybe some sunglasses and a beverage, some sunscreen. Yep, okay. That is cute. So just a little deco there. So now in the habits section, I'm going to use the 2 habit trackers that are in the kit. I love this bright yellow color. It is so just bright and fun. And then I think I'm going to use, let's see, what do I want to use? How about, let's do a green quarter box. This is going to be what I am reading this week, and I think I might do another one of those headers to divide that up. Let's do the hot pink one here. And then let's see if I have a book icon. I do not have one out. I'm gonna grab one because I know I have a foiled book icon I want to use. 1 minute, let me grab it. All right, so I pulled these foiled book icons from Nightingale Paper Co. and I think I'm gonna put it right here at the top and then just write what I'm reading this week. And then I also pulled my script stickers from my habit tracker. So I have my no spin script from Piper Paper Company. And then I have my custom script from Nightingale Paper Co. for my vitamins. All right, so that is everything in the sidebar. So moving on to the week, I am going to use the glitter headers wherever I put them, as well as my checklists that are in the kit. So I'm going to go through and do the glitter headers. I think I'm just going to alternate the colors of the glitter headers and then alternate them over the full boxes as well. So I'll have some glitter headers left over, which will be fine. So I'm going to go through and get all of that down, and I will be back in 1 minute. All right, so I've got my glitter headers, checklist, and full boxes down. I did scatter my full boxes this week, and I did color block the glitter headers each day, but I didn't color block it with the checklist. I don't like super matchy, but anyways, so just a little tidbit. So going on to day to day, I have to film on Monday, and I'm gonna try. A lot of times I pull in film, edit, upload icons. I am gonna pull in film, edit, upload scripts, but I'm gonna try and use some of the icons in the kit this week since I pulled in these foiled sheets. Also, speaking of the foiled sheets, I need to put down my full box overlay, so let's do that first. So let's see, I think this girl is so cute in her green bathing suit. Let's do this, since there's some blank space on the side. That's really pretty. And then this one, let's do the corners. I don't do a lot of overlays in my B6, but I figured, you know, since I had this, I might as well. Let's see. Let's do this. Maybe this might be cute over the drinks with the lemon slices. Oh yeah, that's really cute. That actually fits really perfectly. I want to use the summer state of mind. Maybe I'll do it over the bathing suit. I definitely don't want to, oh yeah, I like that. I don't want to put it over a girl. Oh, that's pretty, okay. And then over her, let's see. Yeah, let's just do the other corner, but I'm going to flip it upside down. Do it like this. There we go, perfect. Okay, and then bottom washi. Now, moving to the day today. Monday is a filming day. So I want to use, let's see, there's a little camera icon I can use, and I want to try and use a ton of boxes this week because I have them. So let's do a quarter box here. So this is for filming, and the camera right there. Okay. And then I also have to go grocery shopping. So I think I'll put that down there. And let's do a flag for that. All right, so that is for grocery shopping. So that is it on Monday. So moving on to Tuesday. Tuesday is an upload day. So let's do another quarter box. And then for upload, and then there are icons in the kit too. So I can look at both of these icons. For upload, is there like a laptop? Oh, we could do like an alarm clock for uploading. And then I also have a appointment. So let's see, for that, let's do car icon. So that is for my appointment. So then moving on to Wednesday. Wednesday is an edit day. So let's do another quarter box. I'm going to pull in all the pops of yellow. So for editing, how about we do, let's do the star for editing, because I don't know what else I'd use the star for. I'll do that right there. And then I also have a meeting on Wednesday, so let's see. Maybe I'll do the coffee cup. It's 2 yellows, but that's okay. So that is for my meeting on Wednesday. There we go. That is more straight. Okay. And then that is it on Wednesday. Thursday is an upload day, so let's do another quarter box. And then maybe let's do the coffee cup. So that is for uploading. And I also have a meeting, so let's do maybe a flag for this meeting. Right there. Perfect, okay. And then Friday is another film day. Let's get another quarter box. And for filming, let's see. How about we just do the heart? These aren't going to make as much sense as my icons usually make, but it's gonna work. It's gonna be fine. All right, that's all that I have on Friday. So that is everything for the first half of the week, other than things that are going to go in my in my checklist. So let's move on to the weekend. I did go ahead and put down my date cover, glitter header, checklist, and full boxes for the weekend. I do want to do my weekend banner over the glitter headers first. And then I wonder if I can put like a little piece of deco at the end. Maybe this big palm tree. No, that's cute. Yeah, we'll do that. Okay, perfect. So Saturday is a filming day as well as an upload day. So let's see. Let's do this quarter box. Oh, I don't want to do. Oh, that is fine. It will be fine. And then we can do the other heart icon for filming. Or let's do the coffee for upload because I film on Sunday and I can use the heart for that. Okay. Anything else on Saturday? That is it for Saturday. So Sunday I work, so I'm going to use the scallop box there, and then let's see, the dollar bills for working. Yep, that'll be perfect. And then I film, so let's use another quarter box. And the heart icon. Oh, and I just realized I need to put my overlays right, so we will do this overlay, and then I'm going to turn this one upside down and do this one here. Perfect. Okay, and so then in my next week's section, I am going to do, let's do a glitter header and my last full box. And then my last overlay. Wow, that almost fits over the hat perfectly. That is funny. Okay, and then I'm going to do this last little header size piece here, and then I think there is a work or an important script. Let's see what there is. There is important, yeah, let's do that one. And then I'm going to do the weekly tracker box to track my meetings. I'm going to pull up the edge of this flamingo. And then this is to track my meetings and appointments for the next week. And that'll just cover up the S and Saturday, but that's okay because I know what it's for. And then I have one strip of bottom washi left from the first half. So I'm going to put that there at the bottom and trim off this little bit here. And then put the strip of bottom washi overlay that I have remaining over that. And then I will do, let's see if I can fit in half box in this space. That is where I mark my favorite thing that happened during the week. Now I need to trim off that clear as well. Should have thought about that. Let's see if we can get it up. Yes, okay. There we go. The only reason I trimmed off that clear, because obviously it's clear, it wouldn't really matter, but it blocked the hole. So let's see what box we can put here. It'll be a tight squeeze, but I don't really mind if it overlaps. Yeah, we'll do that right there. That works, okay. And then maybe that palm tree there. Oh yeah, I like that. Kind of need to move it over a tad though so it doesn't. There we go. That's really cute. Okay, so I finished off that sheet. And then I think that might be it. I have so much left to work with, but I believe that is all of my plans. So let me show you what I have left and then what the completed spread looks like. So I've got a ton of deco that I can use to fill in days where I don't have a lot going on. I've got glitter headers, a few foiled icons, some flags, bildews, one scallop box, and a ton of half boxes. I'll definitely be saving all of this. I know I won't use any of this, so all of these items are functional and I can save. But then I have some icons and scripts, one flag, and then a ton of washi strips. So I have plenty to work with for the rest of the week. And then this is the before the pin. I love how this looks. Let me give you a little Viv wiggle. Some fun summer gold foil. Oh, I just love this. I love the colors in this kit, and it's definitely going to keep my spirits up as I go back to work after my vacation week. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment below, and let me know if you have gone on vacation yet or if you're going on vacation anytime soon. And if you'd like to see updates of this spread throughout the week, you can follow me on Instagram. I'm at Georgia Girl Plans. If you are not already, please subscribe to my channel. I do try and upload 2 to 3 videos per week. And that is everything for this video. I will see you guys next time. Bye.